What happens if I can't pay my high auto insurance deductible? Imagine you get into a car accident and need repairs, but the deductible on your insurance is a hefty amount. What happens if you simply can't pay that high deductible? Well, it can lead to some real challenges. First, your repair shop will usually requiring you to pay the deductible before they start fixing your car. If you don't have the cash ready, your repairs might be delayed, meaning you're stuck without your vehicle longer than you'd like. That can be frustrating, especially if you're relying on your car daily. On top of that, you might have to scramble to find money to cover the deductible. You could dip into savings, borrow from friends or family, or even take out a small loan. All of these options can cause stress and put a strain on your finances. If you are unable to pay the deductible, your insurance company will still process your claim. They will pay for the repairs minus the deductible amount, but you still owe that money to the repair shop or service provider. So, even if your insurance covers most of the cost, you're left with a bill to settle. Repeatedly not paying your deductible can also impact your insurance coverage. If you keep avoiding paying the deductible after claims, your insurer might question your ability to handle future claims or even raise your premiums. It's important to choose a deductible amount that fits your budget. Higher deductibles mean lower monthly premiums, but also mean bigger out-of-pocket costs if you need to file a claim. To avoid these issues, many people set aside a small emergency fund specifically for deductibles. Having that money ready can help you get repairs done quickly and avoid financial stress. In the end, not being able to pay a high deductible can cause delays in fixing your vehicle and create financial worries. Balancing the size of your deductible with what you can comfortably pay is key. If you pick a deductible you can afford, it makes handling unexpected accidents much easier and keeps your costs manageable. Remember, increasing your deductible can save you money on premiums, but only if you're prepared to cover that amount if an accident happens.